Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine and may Allah keep you all safe and sound in this situation. Students, our today's lecture is about articles and apostrophe for possession. Okay? You have to listen the lecture carefully and then do it on your grammar copies. First of all, we will do the topic articles. Let's see what are the articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun. Articles are and an are used with the common singular nouns. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. Okay? जो आपका जो भी next word होता है उसका beginning जो letter होता है उसको देख के हम decide करते हैं कि whether article a will come or an will come. Fine? So let's see where we use article a. We write a before words that start with consonants. Consonants, आप सबको पता है कि there are 5 vowel letters A, E, I और U. बाकी के जितने letters हैं वो सब consonants होते हैं. ठीक है? So article an, we write an before words that start with vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Okay. Remember one thing. Sounds of the letter are much important, not the letter itself. Okay? Like you see in the example, a house but an hour. Okay? अब यहाँ पे आपने देखा कि हाउस के साथ हमने आर्टिकल आर यूज किया बिकॉज हाउस में जो आपका एच साउंड है वो पहले आ रहा है कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड बट एन आवर में द एच ऑफ द आवर इज साइलेंट और जो आपका साउंड है वो आ यानी वाउल साउंड आ रहा है सो वी आर यूजिंग आर्टिकल एन ओवर हियर. Similarly, an uncle but a university. Okay, अब अंकल में आपका जो यू है वो वाउल साउंड है. ठीक है, सो हम एन यूज कर रहे हैं बट यूनिवर्सिटी में आपका जो है यूनिवर्सिटी के बिगनिंग में जो यू है उसकी साउंड वाई ओ यू यू जैसी है. ठीक है, ये एक वाउल साउंड नहीं है इसलिए हम इसके साथ आ यूनिवर्सिटी यूज करते हैं. ओके, so let's start with our activities. Question number 1, encircle the correct answer. A pencil or an pencil. अब देखिए pencil कौन सा है वो consonant letter से start हो रहा है. So आपका article आ आएगा. ठीक है, A apple or an apple, an apple. A chair, an chair, a chair. A or an doll, a doll. A or an egg, an egg. So here is the question number 2. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Pics आपके सामने हैं. आप बेशक इन पिक्स को ड्रा ना करें बट यू कैन सी देम और आप इसको इजीली फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ईगल, an eagle, a camera, a feather, a mouse, a parrot, an aeroplane. Okay, so this is your question number 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable articles. An egg sleeping in a basket. Number 2, an octopus hiding under a rock. Number 3, a fox riding on an elephant. Number 4, a bear flying an aeroplane. Number 5, a monkey holding an umbrella. Number 6, an owl working at a computer. Okay. Question number 4, fill in the blanks with the help of articles. It is a table. I use an umbrella. Menorah is an island. Salma is eating an egg. An insect has 6 legs. A horse runs fast. He is wearing a hat. We saw an alligator in the zoo. Here comes our next topic, apostrophe for possession. What is actually apostrophe, students? Apostrophe is actually a punctuation mark. It has many functions, but today we will learn about the apostrophes which are used for possession. Okay, apostrophes आपने देखा होगा जैसे आप comma use करते हो ना, it's like that. Apostrophes are used to show who or what owns something. ठीक है, वो apostrophes जो possession के लिए use हों वो show करती हैं कि ये चीज किसकी है या कौन इसे own करता है. With singular nouns, simply add an apostrophe plus the letter s. ठीक है, जैसे singular noun है आपके पास baby, the toy of a baby. toy भी आपका noun है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम ये शो करना चाहते हैं कि toy किससे belong करता है, baby से. So baby के साथ हम जो सा apostrophe add करके और s add कर देंगे the baby's toy. तो ये उसकी belonging को show करेगा, मिल्कियत को. The dress of Sarah, Sarah's dress. Okay, what you have to remember, we don't add apostrophe s to make plurals. Okay, apostrophe s is used to the belongings. अब आपको पता है ना कि जैसे हम plural बनाते हैं, जैसे chair, chairs, तो जब हम singular का plural बनाते हैं तो उसमें हम apostrophe s use नहीं करते, हम सिर्फ s use करते हैं. Wherever you are going to use apostrophe s, it means you are going to show the belonging. Okay. Like अगर हम चेयर के नंबर बताना चाहते हैं कि there are so many chairs, तो we will use as before we will use as without apostrophe. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर हम बताना चाहते हैं चेयर का कलर, the chair's color is brown, तो फिर हम बीच में apostrophe s यूज करेंगे क्योंकि हम particularly चेयर की क्वालिटी बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Okay, so come to the activity. Question number 1, fill in the blanks with the apostrophe for possession. The uniform of Sarah, Sarah's uniform. Okay, first one I have done for you. Now you have to do it by yourself. The socks of Fizza, Fizza's socks. This is pen of Sana. This is Sana's pen. The suit of Mummy, Mummy's suit. Now come to question number 2. Add apostrophe s with the appropriate nouns. Daddy trousers are brown. So here the answer will be Daddy's trousers are brown. Sarah is Fizza's sister. You have to add the answer by yourself. Sarah is Fizza's sister. This is my friend's house. This is my friend's house. Number 3, the lion baby is called a cub. The lion's baby is called a cub. And number 5, did you find Ali pen? Did you find Ali's pen? Okay. So come to the next activity now. Question number 3, rewrite the sentences using apostrophe. I'll play with the doll of Sana. I will play with Sana's doll. The dress of Ali is beautiful. Ali's dress is beautiful. Okay, students, thank you. What you have to do is that you have to do this work on your copies and submit your copies in the school. Thank you very much.